Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove on Wix. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so if you want to remove specific elements, pages, or even the entire website, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the website that you want to remove these specific elements or sections. That will lead you to the Wix editor. And for example, these are some of the elements you want to remove. All you have to do is right click on it, and there's going to be an option that says delete, right? If you want to remove this, if you want to remove this specific image, you can also do that as well. If you want to remove the background, you might want to click on delete. You see that? So there's a lot that you can delete, the elements or even sections here on the website. If you want to remove an app or widget, you can also do that. If you go to the manage apps here, go to the apps. If you have a custom apps, right now I don't have. If you have an apps here, you can click on manage apps, right click on the dashboard and click on delete option. All right, so that's that. Now I want you to hover to your dashboard, and there's gonna be an option here on the three dots for the site actions. If you want to delete this site, all I have to do is move to trash. Okay, so these are some of the options to remove elements, pages, sites here on Wix. Now, I'm going back again to the Wix editor, because on the left side panel, if you want to delete certain pages, click on the pages in menu. For example, you want to delete portfolio, all you have to do is click on delete. All right, as you can see, deleting Wix portfolio will remove its pages, elements, and settings from your site. So we're not going to do that. If you click on the contact option, you also wanted to delete that. What will happen is if you want to delete the contact page, that would be removed here on your Wix editor. The idea is that by simplifying your website, by removing unnecessary or cluttered content, you can make it easier for visitors to navigate, and this could include removing redundant pages, excessive widgets, or irrelevant information. You still have the option to undo all of these actions that you have made if you think that was created by mistake. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.